let's open this cabinet and put inside this tray. In its day, my rolling pin, this metal cheese grater, spatula, my slotted spoon, this big fork, and all these measuring cups. On the lower shelf stay this maple syrup, my cornflakes, salt and pepper, and on the last shelf I keep my 3 different colored bowls and my favorite teacup. That's all. Hey, good morning guys! I'm starving! It's time for breakfast. Let's see... that's my cornflakes. But I need something more delicious. I'm so sick of it. Huh? Oh, this is Dolly. Hey, good morning girls! What a beautiful morning, huh? These are my sheep and my hen. Oh, maybe I have a great idea for a much more healthier breakfast. I'll need a basket and this bucket. Living in a farm means you always have fresh food. Let's first get some milk. This is my beautiful sheep Dolly. Come on, sweetie, jump outside. Good girl. And now it's time to give me some milk. Yay! We have full bucket of milk. Good job, girl. Now you should go back inside. Oh, wow! Thank you for the milk, Dolly. And now it's time to get some eggs. I get fresh eggs from my hen, Dorothy. Here she is. Morning, girl. Do you have something for me? Let's see. Oh, the nest is empty. Dorothy, where are all the eggs? Huh? Oh, wow! Look at these beautiful 3 eggs. Now let's put them all in my basket. Dorothy, thank you so much for the eggs. You are amazing. And finally, guys, I'll need some blueberries. Here is my blueberry bush. I just need to pick some straight from it. All this fresh food, I'm going to make pancakes. Thanks to you, Dolly, and to you too, Dorothy. And now, guys, let's go back to my kitchen. First, we need to boil the milk. Alright, and now let's turn on the stove. Now I need this big bowl. Let's crack in it the eggs. Alright, now I need flour. Let's pour some in the bowl. That's enough. Oh! The milk is ready. Alright, now let's stir everything together. For frying, let's put my pan on the stove, turn it on, and add a little of my mixture. Let's twist it. One more time, and the first pancake is ready. I have a lot more work to do, so come back after an hour in the garden. See you soon. Welcome, kids! My delicious pancakes are ready. And I made this fresh lemonade. Now let's add a little maple syrup. And of course a little of this butter. It's time to try them. Oh, they are perfect! You should try them too! Hello, friends! Yeah, that's right! We are in the hospital now! And look, someone's coming! Oh guys, I had an accident! I fell off my bike! That's why I'm so dirty now! And oh, my right leg hurts so much! Ouch! It really hurts! Oh, poor girl! Calm down, sweetie. Everything is going to be alright. Don't worry. Oh, are you sure? Of course! Dr. Smith is the best. And now, it's time for the hospital gown and the medical slippers. They are over here, in this cabinet. This is the cool gown. And now let's put it on. Alright, and now the slippers. Here they are. But let's first take off these dirty shoes. Now the other one. And now let's put on these cool medical slippers. Here you go. And because we are in a hospital, we need to clean and disinfect your shoes. Time to make them new again. And voila! Shiny, shiny! Now let's put them in your wardrobe. And of course your beautiful dress too. And now, sweetie pie, you are ready for the bed. Ouch! Oh! Let's remove the wheelchair. And now, sweetie, let's get to work. First, I need a pair of the medical gloves. Let's put one on my right hand. And the second one goes on my left hand. Alright, sweetie, now it's time to clean the dirt and see your injuries. Let's begin. Alright, I put on my medical gloves too. And now let's wash your wounds. The first thing we need is this kidney dish. Now let's pour a little water in it. The next thing we need is a few drops of this medicine. And finally, cotton. Let's start washing. Your legs are clean again. The left one seems perfectly fine, but the right... Ouch! Oh, 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 oh! As I thought, Dr. Smith should definitely check it. And now let's clean your arm. Let me see... Ouch! Oh, 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 oh! It's not broken, but it needs to be examined too. This doesn't sound good. No, don't worry. Now let me clean your face, your cheek, your nose, the other one, and voila! Now I only need to wipe your face with a clean towel. My leg hurts so much. Oh, don't worry, I have something special for you. Oh, really? What? You need something to kill your pain. And because you are in a hospital, we always have a solution. It's here, on your nightstand. And it's called a pain cure. You need only 1 spoon to feel better. Alright, and now say ah. Good water? Oh yeah, of course. Let me just put the medicine back to its place. And here is your bottle of water. Let's pour. And voila! Here you are. Ah, it's so much better now. Thank you, nurse. You're welcome. That's my job. And now, kids, it's time to call the doctor. Let's see. Aha! Here's the call button. Let's press it and Dr. Smith will come immediately. Oh!
Hello, Dr. Smith is here, and everything is going to be alright.
Hi kids! Let's set up baby Ella's room. Let's start by adding some beautiful flowers. Alright, and now it's time for this fluffy carpet. Here's her small baby crib. And it has these beautiful canopy bed curtains. Let's put inside her mattress, her fluffy pillow, and her warm blanket. Oh, I forgot her teddy bear. And now it's time for her small wardrobe. She has 1, 2, 3 beautiful outfits. Of course, every morning she needs her baby potty. Let's put it in this corner. Alright, and now it's time for her little baby sofa. This is baby Ella's changing mat. It's lightly padded, so she is comfy when mommy changes her diaper. This is her bowl, her favorite bunny, her pink diaper, her white baby dip. Oh, and this is her cool wind spinner. Cool, cool, cool. A wipe case with soft cloth wipes for changing time or messy meals. Her rattle toy. And her purple binky. That's it. And now let's meet baby Ella. Here she is. Tico. Good morning, little princess. I'm coming. And here's baby Ella's mommy. Oh, good morning, sweetie pie. Did you sleep well? Alright, now come to mommy. We're going to have so much fun today. But first, let's start the day with your potty. Oh, you ready? Good job! And now let's go to your baby sofa. But first we need to make some space. Alright, now let's open your changing mat. And put you on it. Let's start by taking off your cute pajamas. Okay, and now we need a wet wipe. Clean, clean, clean. And now it's time for the new diaper. Good job. Now you deserve your toys. Your wind spinner, your bunny, and your black and white bow. And now let's get you dressed. Let's see. No? Oh! This dress is perfect. And finally, your headband with a pink bow. Oh wow! It's time, mommy, to brush your teeth. A little toothpaste. And now let's brush. That's it. Alright, and now it's time for you to drink a little water. Here you are. Alright, that was enough. Now let's make your bed. Alright, and now come to mommy. And now let's go to the kitchen. It's time for the breakfast. And here we are again. Let's put baby Ella in her chair. Here you go. Now raise your hand. Good job. Alright, safety first. And now it's time to make baby Ella's puree. We'll need 1 apple and 3 carrots. Let's start by washing them really well. Now we need the blender. Alright. And now let's turn it on. Oh! Baby Ella's breakfast is ready. Let's put the bib on. Here's your bowl and your spoon. And now it's time for the breakfast. And don't forget that breakfast is the most important meal.